Hi everyone. So today's problem of the day is rotate image. So what is given in description? You are given an n cross n 2D matrix representing an image. Rotate the image by 90-degree clockwise. You have to rotate the image in place, which means you have to modify the input 2D matrix directly. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do not and do the rotation. And what is the constraint given? Constraint is like n is the row and column. N can range from 1 till less than equals to 20, and the value can start from minus 1000 to plus 1000. Now, in our question, it is given something like if the matrix is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we need to rotate it by 90-degree clockwise. If I will rotate this by 90-degree clockwise, it will be something like 963, and it will become 852 and 741. We are rotating it with it 90-degree clockwise. So if you will carefully see what basically happening between these two matrices. If my row and column is initially I and J, so after rotation, my row and column is becoming J comma n minus I minus 1. You can check for any cells, it will follow this. Like if you will see for this, so for this row is 2 comma 2 comma 2. So if you will check for this, so it will be 2 comma n is 3 minus I value is 2 and minus 1. So it will be 2 minus 3, it will be 0. So it will be 2 comma 0. So if you will see this, the value for it is changed to 2 comma 0. Now, if you will see the first example is 1, 4, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is the same example. So, but in our question, it is given that we don't need to occupy the extra space. That means if if I have to change this I comma j to j minus I comma 1, so I can basically do I can initialize some other matrix, and I can say ki my matrix I comma j equals to this is my new matrix, and my it is equals to my जो old matrix है उसका j n minus I minus 1. So I can basically do this. I can initialize my new matrix, and I can make my new matrix ka ij equals to j and n minus I minus 1, and this I can do. And in that way I can and in our question we don't need to return anything, we need to modify this only. So what we can do, we can simply make after doing this operation for all the cells, I can do this something like matrix old ij equals to matrix new ij. But if you will see in our question, it is given that we need to modify the existing matrix only. Do not allocate another 2D matrix and do the rotation. So we can't do this. If we will try to do this, then in this case our space complexity will be big of n square. We need to initialize new vector, and then we need to assign. So what we can do in place of this, so what basically is happening. So if my row and column is I and j, so after rotation it is becoming j comma n minus I minus 1. So what is happening? Ij is becoming j comma n minus 1. So the other way to do this is like basically we will do the transpose. First we need to do the transpose. If my row and column is ij, after transpose it can become j comma I. So j comma I. So we need j comma n minus I minus 1. So j is already in its correct position. We need to change this column. Column is I. We need to make it n minus I minus 1. So what basically we are doing? If our row is something like this is a row 1, 2, 3. So this this I is there, we need to make it n minus I minus 1. So what basically we are doing, we are reversing this, so it will be 3 2 1. So if we will check for this example, this 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. So if we will check for this using this formulas, first we will do the transpose. For transpose mein what is happening, row will become column and column will become row. So it will be something like 147. So it will be 147, 258 to 258 and 369. So it will be 369. So after this will be done, this first step is done. Now what we need to do is we need to reverse this column wala. For every row, we need to reverse this column we need to reverse. So what we can do, for each row, we will reverse the element. It will become something like 741 852 and 963. If you will see this metric, this is same like our answer, 741 852 and 963. So we got the answer. Now for better clarity, we can do the second example mein what is the example, 5 1 9 11 2 4 8 10 13 3 6 7 15 14 12 and 16. Now first our first step is what we need to do the transpose. So if I will do the transpose of this matrix, so what it became, it will become something like 5 2 13, 5 2 13 15, then 1 4 3 14, 9 8 6 12, 11 10 7 and 16. Now I have done the first step. What is my second step? Second step is for every row I need to do the reverse of the row. So for this row, if I will do reverse, it will be 15 13 2 5. For second row, it will be something like 14 3 4 1. For third, it will be 12 6 8 and 9. For fourth, it will be 16 7 10 and 11. If I will check for my answer, it is same like this: 15 13 2 5, 14 3 4 1, 12 6 8 9 and 16 7 10 11. So if I will check for my solution, it is we have done the same thing. We initialize this matrix row and column, since row is also n and column is also n, it is given in description. So we initialize the n, then row and column, it is noting row and columns, and then we use two for loops. So we starting this is for row and j is for columns. We are swapping ij with ji. So ij we need to swap it with ji. So for after this, our first step will be done. For second step, what we need to do, we need to just reverse every row. So to reverse every row, we use one loop. This I is denoting row. So I start from 0 till n. Then for every row, I am using this reverse function, and I am able to reverse it. So if you will see for the time complexity in this case, so for time complexity in this case will be, I use these two for loops. So for loops, my time complexity is n square, and for this swaps, time complexity is n. So it will be big of n cube. And space complexity, if you will see space complexity, I have not used any additional vector, so it will be big of 1 only. So big of n cube is my time complexity, big of n is my space complexity. So yeah, thank you.